Hello, welcome back. We have a mixed operations problem for you today. It's 3 plus 2 times 5, and this is an expression. We don't see an equal sign here, so it's not an equation, but this is an expression that can be simplified. So if you want to give this one a shot, we'll come back and work it out together. All right, so you may have heard of different acronyms. These are not necessarily super important to know. There's acronyms out there like PEMDAS and BODMAS and BIDMAS, and there's also BEDMAS. I think there's GEMS. There's some other ones out there. They basically all mean the same thing. They're just different representations for the very same order of operations. A lot of these things are confusing. Like with PEMDAS, it represents parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Another common one, BODMAS, brackets, orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. A lot of people get confused when they see the M's and the D's and the D's and the M's, and they think that, well, it's multiplication before division or division before multiplication, and all that is really nonsense. A lot of people just don't understand these acronyms and what they really stand for. Multiplication and division have equal precedence, and so do addition and subtraction. So it's important to understand the order of operations. They're just memorization tools, but the real thing that you're wanting to understand is the order of operations. Well, one of the other things too that we need to understand, some people get confused as well, is they don't see any parentheses or brackets. And immediately they think, well, we just solve left to right then. You just add 3 plus 2 and you get 5. 5 times 5 is 25. I'm done. That's the answer. Well, that would be wrong. Parentheses are not required. Why? Because multiplication already has precedence over addition. These are identical. 3 plus 2 times 5 is identical to 3 plus 2 times 5 and putting the 2 times 5 in parentheses. And why is that? Because multiplication already has precedence over addition. So putting parentheses around the 2 times 5, you can do that if you want. It takes a little effort, but it's not necessary because multiplication already has precedence over addition. And again, multiplication in this case is solved first. We don't have any parentheses, we don't have any exponents, but we do have multiplication. So you go down through the steps of the order of operations. And the first thing we have is multiplication. And again, multiplication has precedence over addition. Multiplication is also repeated addition. That's one of the basic definitions of multiplication. It's repeated addition. Think of it as shorthand. When you have 3 plus 2 times 5, the 2 times 5 is the same thing as adding 2 5 times. 2 times 5 is the same as adding 2 5 times. You can replace the multiplication with equivalent addition, and you're still going to get the same answer. So 3 plus 2 times 5 is the same as 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that all equals 13. Now, it's a lot easier to write 3 plus 2 times 5 than it would be to write it all out with addition. So that's one of the reasons we have multiplication. We have it there to make it much easier to write. It's shorthand for repeated addition. That's why it already has precedence over addition. We would be doing this wrong if we added 3 plus 2 first. We're ignoring the fact that this multiplication needs to be resolved. Even though it's written here after the addition, this is telling us, 2 times 5 is telling us that we're wanting to add 2 5 times. So we must take care of that. We have to get that taken care of before we add this 3 to anything. So again, the order of operations, step number 1 in this case is to multiply the 2 times 5. And then we're left with addition. 3 plus 10 is 13. There you go.